Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, really simple egg pasta salad. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Pasta of your choice, tomatoes, onions, fresh chili, mayonnaise, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, hard-boiled eggs, touch of mustard. So easy. All we're going to do is get a mixing bowl. In it goes the pasta, and we're just going to add the whole lot in. All you need to do here is chop your hard-boiled eggs first, give it a mix, and this baby is done. Really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.